National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in west central Iowa, northeastern Guthrie County in west central Iowa, southwestern Boone County in central Iowa, northwestern Dallas County in central Iowa until 6:15 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jefferson Municipal Airport, or 5 miles south of Jefferson, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Perry, Lake Panorama, Rippey, Yale, Jamaica, Dawson, Perry Municipal Airport, and Lac and Slough Game Management Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Boone, Dallas, Greene, and Guthrie.